Hey guys, so now moved massively today. The stock is up 49% after months and weeks of not going anywhere. What is the chart telling us? What should you do if you own the stock? What should you do if you have cash? Check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated every time I give you content about the stock market, because the goal and the heart of this channel is to give you insights on how you can trade the markets with confidence. So enjoy the video. Hey guys, so look who's back from the dead. Now is up 3.19, up 49% after months of not going anywhere. So just to give you a backdrop now for people who are new, who haven't followed the narrative on what happened to now, if you backtrack and go to last year, the stock was around 2 pesos per share, even less than that. If you go and backtrack months before that, that because of the story of the third telco on who will win, who will be the third telco, the stock moved up massively, all the way up from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, up to a high of 18, 19 pesos per share last year. As you all know also, anything that moves like that, and if it's based on news, it's based on disclosures. If the disclosure doesn't go that way, or if the news is already done, the stock, after all of the buying, will also push down. You have to remember, in the world of stock trading and investing, it's all about supply and demand. When people are speculating on something and anticipating that it could possibly go well, they start to buy, thus it pushes the stock upward. On the same way, when the news is out already and then everyone is done with it, people start selling and more sellers bring the prices down. And that's what happened after. You all remember this, somewhere around the fourth quarter of 2018, there was a disclosure that Ms. Latel won the deal, which is highly connected to Chelsea, which is highly connected also to ISM. That's why during the disclosure last year, there were a lot of stocks that were somehow trying to vie for the third telco player, from C to ISM to ECP to VUL to now, or anyone closely knitted to it. You have to remember, there was also rumors that January 2018, HVN, they were saying that it was connected to it, that's why it zoomed up. But HVN also gave a disclosure that they were just changing HVN into Golden Bria, which is also now connected to property development. Now back to the story. When Chelsea, ISM, Ms. Latel won the deal, the stock started to drop, the stock started to go down. After that, after it tried to zoom down and move down, a few months of going down, no news, nothing spectacular, the stock moves sideways. You have to remember also, in the world of stock trading and investing, there are things now, when stocks drop down, there's movements that will cause it to also consolidate. Consolidation happens two times. Number one, if the stock moves up too fast, consolidation period happens. Or on the flip side, similar to what happened to now, when a stock drops fast, it also starts to consolidate. So after weeks and months of consolidation, today was the day where the stock started to break out. If you look at it from the chart below, you will see that now has broken out from all of the moving average. It also has broken out past the 200-day moving average, which is a very, 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 very strong resistance level. If you note it also, you can see here that from the support and resistance that I've plotted, it already broke out from that one. That being said, if it stays above the 200-day moving average, I really believe that the next target price is around the 4.25 level. That's considering it stays above the 200-day moving average. That's considering if it has legs that could push it up. Also, I forgot to mention this, that ECP, VUL, a lot of the stocks that were moving in tandem to what now was doing last year and months prior to the move up last year, they all also started to go up in this fashion. So how significant and how important is this? Let's see what the charts are telling us, and let's see how this goes. But there's another thing worth considering. Volume today was very, 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 very strong for now. And if there's one thing I know about technical analysis, volume precedes price. Any movement in technical analysis, any upward movement about price, if it's substantiated by volume, if volume is there, it makes it a bit legit. It gives it legs also. So a couple of things you need to look out for. Look at the 200-day moving average. If now stays above the 200-day moving average, if now at least has a chance to stay above it, then maybe it has a chance and legs to go up higher. So key things to watch out for: the first breakout point, I place the line below in the chart. So if it stays above that level, that could be the new legs, that could be the new support level for the stock. Then you add the 200-day moving average as certain support levels for the stock to move up as well. So if that holds, that could be the new support. For those who don't know technical analysis yet, you have to know this, that if a stock stays above the resistance, breaks out from it, the resistance converts to the support, and the support will now be a level where there's new buying, regardless if it's news, earnings, data, or whatever drives it. If people buy at that level, that now becomes a new support, and that will push it higher should it happen. Now please remember this, you have to consider it based on your own trading parameters. Do not buy the stock just because you want to earn money. Do not buy the stock because you want to chase it. Huwag makikiuso, huwag gayahin yung kaibigan. Follow your plan. If your trading plan is telling you already not to buy it at this point in time, then don't follow it, don't buy it. Only stick to what your trading parameters are going through. Why am I saying this? A lot of people will lose money if they buy something just because nainggit sila, just because they saw other people make money off of it. Follow your trading convictions. And now, looking at it also this way, plot your resistance at the 4.25 level for the stock as well. So at this point in time, and I've always been saying this, technical analysis is never about guessing. It's never about forecasting. It's never about telling you where the stock precisely will go. Technical analysis just allows you to trade it by the range. Technical analysis also tells you how to manage your risk, and it also tells you where the trend is going. Don't worry, similar to the other stocks that we've been talking about here, I'll keep you updated on the progress of this. Comment below if you're able to buy. For those who were able to position and are making money, congratulations, because for me, the ultimate goal of this is just to make you guys profitable, to help you, that you get to live your life at your own terms, and you also get to trade the markets with confidence. For those who have cash, what's your plan? Based on what I talked about, based on the support, based on the resistance, what do you plan to do? Again, it's not about buying what the best stock is. It's about following what your trading parameters are. So again, I'll keep you updated also as it tries to pierce above the 4.25 level. You have to remember, if it tries to pierce above that resistance level, it will now try to push over the next support. Another thing you need to watch out for is volume. If volume gets stronger, if volume gets bigger with larger amounts of buy, then it could possibly push also the stock up as well. But I'll keep you updated through this entire movement of the stock, and I'll keep you updated also if what are the specific drivers for this. I'll probably make another video based on any macro or any disclosures that will connect this to the stock, that will push it, that somehow give it a push upward as well. So there might be an explanation, there might be not. It could be purely price action, but at the end of the day, the chart discounts everything. Everything we need to know is found in technical analysis. And if you look at it, we've just been analyzing this video just for a few minutes, but everything that we can do to be able to analyze it is already found in the charts. So by the way, before we put this to a close, if you notice it, it's been moving sideways, and here's what I know. When a stock is sideways, if it breaks out of it, it steps out into that new range. There will also be corrections still. You have to remember, stocks do not go up in a straight line. That should there be any corrections later on, should it go up and it's a false breakout, those support levels that I mentioned does not hold, you must actually sell. And I'll say it over and over, it's not about what stock you're buying, it's about the parameters and the conditions that you are setting that will cause you to buy, sell, and win and trade the markets with confidence. Because at the end of the day, it's your strategy that will help you win, and it's your strategy that will allow you to make money on the market. So this is Marvin. It's a Tuesday. We came from a holiday yesterday, but I'm flying out already to Dubai tomorrow, and I'm very, very excited for Stock Smart sessions there. It's just nice. Now, I just love educating people on how they can trade the market. So if you are from Dubai, comment below. I'm excited to see you. We're going to do basics, technicals, and fundamental analysis. Same heart, same goal, to be able to teach you to trade with confidence. Because even if you are an OFW, even if you are overseas, you can still win. You can trade the markets. Even if you're trading from another time zone, it doesn't matter. As long as you know what you're doing, as long as you know what your buy and sell signals are, you will win, and you can win, and you can do it, and you can live life at your own terms. You don't have to quit your job. Please remember this. It's a misconception that, hey, you have to quit your job if you want to trade the markets. No, you can do it twice. The goal, the name of the game, the narrative is multiple streams of income. If you love your work and you love stocks, do it at the same time. But if it comes to a point that your work is eating you and then you can start businesses and investing that can replace active income, by all means, do it. Because what I love more is to see more and more Filipinos do businesses and invest. Why? Because if you do business and invest, you are creating opportunities for other people to earn money, and that's the best thing that you can do. It's not about giving them money, but giving them opportunities on how they can make money as well. So that's it for now. I hope to see you also when I get back from Dubai. I'll be in Manila, and the next sessions that we will have for Stock Smarts will be Manila, Qatar, Cebu, Taiwan, and Davao as well. So the links are down below. Also, for those who want to buy my books, it's under Shopee and also my website, marvingurmo.com. So I guess that's it for now. I hope this video helps you, pushes you, and allows you to live your dreams, that you can reach your goals of financial freedom, and the stock market is one of the best ways for you to do it. So stay until the end, by the way, so you get to see the top subscribers that I've been posting. I don't know if you've been noticing it. I haven't been really announcing it, but it's sort of a teaser for those who like finishing the videos. The top subscribers are always at the end. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo from Bonifacio Global City. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.